An equilateral triangle has perimeter 36. Find its area. We have an equilateral triangle. All sides are equal. So if this is S, and this must be S and S. So the perimeter of that triangle is equal to S plus S plus S, which is equal to 36 in this case. So we have 3S is equal to 36. Divide both sides by 3. The length of that side is equal to 12. So this must be 12, 12, and 12. So we will solve for the area is equal to 1/2 base times height. So to solve this, we need to find the height of this triangle here. So if this is 12, this must be, this side here must be 6. So we will redraw it here, 6, 12, and h. So using the Pythagorean theorem to solve the height, so we have h squared plus 6 squared is equal to 12 squared. So we have h squared is equal to 144 minus 36. So this will gives 108. So square root both sides. So the height is equal to 100 square root of 108. So substitute it here. We have the area is equal to 1/2. The base is 12. And the height, so to this triangle here, we are going to get that area of that equilateral triangle. The height is square root of 108. So the area is equal to 6 square root of 108 square units. Or could be written as 36 square root of 3 square units.